Morning.
Morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Right, back to school. Let's go.
Did you have a good day at school?
Yeah.
Look at the sunshine it is.
My coat.
I am wearing your coat.
What are you doing, Is?
It's the wrong way round. Oh, it's not the wrong way round. Because I did this and then I thought it was that way. But it's actually this way. And then I did. We are done.
Put it in his cage
I
then.
spilled it and then that happened.
Has he got a treat in there?
Oh yeah?
Right, time to get in our pyjamas and then we can have a little what?
Read.
Bedtime story.
Yeah,
Okay.
bedtime story.
3, 2, 1.
All done.
You ready?
Yeah.
How was school today? Yeah? You're going to go for a quick ride around the field and we'll go home, yeah? Go, go, go. See how far you can go around. Ooh, look at the stream.
Have to keep going. Wait.
Izzy, we're taking a long way home today, aren't we?
Yeah.
This way. Here, go left.
But I don't like this way.
This is the way we go. There's a white bird in the water.
Oh yeah, I can see it.
Alright, should we go on the stepping stones?
Yeah. Oh, now it's
Alright, wait. Do you want me to help you?
Yeah.
Go. Whoa. Whoa. Nice.
I'm gonna go back.
Be careful. Hoopa. Come on, Iz. Whoa. You're a professional. Right, let's go home because hopefully Ellie has a key.
Okay.
Otherwise she'll be waiting outside for us.
Yeah.
Nearly home now, Iz. Nearly home. We took the long way, didn't we? Went past the stepping stones, went past the...
stepping stones.
That's true, and went past the park.
Yeah.
Now we're home.
A bear.
Is that what you had at Donna's house and now you love them?
I'm gonna cookie on it.
Oh my goodness. You having toast as well now?
Mm-hmm.
Cheeky. I'll do dinner later, yeah? We can chill out for a bit now. Alright, we got spaghetti and hot dogs. Eat it all up then. Alright, it's bedtime soon, okay? What time is it, Iz?
Bedtime.
But first...
In pajamas.
Pajamas. Meow. All done. Ready for bed.
Good night.
No, no.